around, girl. Make you know, say, now me want you. Oh, and everything you want to do, baby girl, I got.
Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie Styles. So I'm a little excited. My mulberry have arrived all the way from China. As you can see, like I told you guys, all these fruits I like to extract them myself. All you need to do is just know how to extract it properly using the right ratio, you know. So just open it. This is how it looks in there. So guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to extract this mulberry root. Okay guys, so to make the extract I have measured out everything. So what we'll be using is, I have 50 grams of mulberry roots here. Then you will need distilled water, vegetable glycerin, make sure it's organic. Use distilled water, don't use ordinary water please. And you will need preservative. I'm using Lucida. I'm using Lucida liquid as my preservative, as you can see. So I have already measured out the water and glycerin in this cup. The water, I boiled my water and allow it to, you know, like boil and leave it to cool before using it. Not too cool, just leave it at warm temperature, okay? Then so here in this cup I have my distilled water, vegetable glycerin, and the Lucida liquid, which I added 20 grams. So 50% of glycerin, 50% of distilled water, and 4% of Lucida liquid. Okay, and here I have 50 grams of mulberry. Please take note. So I'm gonna mix this to combine. So next, get my jar, clean properly, and sterilize with alcohol. So now I'm going to add my mulberry roots to it. Don't waste anyone. Make sure your working place is clean. Always clean up with some alcohol to keep bacteria. So mix my solution properly, then pour it in. The warm water, the water is still lukewarm, just like making tea. So I warm the water. When I'm extracting roots, I like to extract it with like warm water to help, you know, hydrate the roots. Just cover it and keep it in your cupboard for at least 2 months, which is 60 days. You can live longer if you can. I used to leave mine in there forever. Just leave it, because the longer you leave it, the more powerful it becomes. So the longer the better. Okay, so guys, so that is it. Don't forget to label. If you want to leave it for 2 months, your labeling, you should detect, you know, write down the date you want to leave it until. Like I said, I don't have date for mine. I leave it in there forever, but I calculate. All I need to know is what day did I make it. So I look at the date. One is maybe from July or August. It will be ready for me to use. Meanwhile, making cosmetics will be shopping my money now until then, but it's very, very good for you to make yours. So this is just, I'm going to make others. I used to make it in larger quantity and keep, so this is just for the video demonstration. Okay, so I can show you how you can make yours also. So that is it. Very easy and simple to extract your mulberry in glycerin and water. No alcohol. So many people prefer using alcohol to make their tincture, but I prefer to use my organic vegetable glycerin and distilled water, then plus preservative. Okay, so every morning make sure you shake it. You can see how it is now. Make sure you shake it every morning. Shake it, just give it a shake, give it a shake every now and then. Give it a shake, okay? Until then. So that is it, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. If you have any question, leave it down below. If you are new, please, before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and of course, thumbs up the video if you like it. Then stay organically beautiful. Very important, okay? As you know. Until see you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys.